In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Citation Generator. If you're writing a paper, article, or report and need clean, consistent references, Grammarly's built-in citation tools can save you time and reduce errors. Let's walk through the process from opening Grammarly to selecting the right citation style, so you can cite with confidence. First, open Grammarly in your browser and head to the main workspace. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Click Docs to access your writing area. This takes you to the place where you create and manage your documents. From here, you have two simple paths. If you want to start fresh, choose New Doc to open a blank canvas, or upload a file if you've already drafted something elsewhere. Uploading is handy when your sources and quotes are already in the text and you just need to format the references correctly. Alternatively, if your work already exists in Grammarly, open that existing document. On the right side of the editor, look for the Tools panel and click Citation Finder. This opens Grammarly's citation features alongside your text so you can work without switching tabs or losing your place. Next, choose a single citation style for the document. Consistency is key here. Mixing styles can cause point deductions or confusion for readers. Grammarly presents the major options right up front. Click APA if you're writing in fields like psychology, education, or other social sciences. APA emphasizes author and date, which helps readers quickly see how recent a source is. Click MLA if your work is in literature, languages, or many areas of the humanities. MLA focuses on author and page numbers, which is ideal for text-based analysis. Click Chicago if you're working in history, some social sciences, or publishing contexts that prefer notes and bibliographies. Chicago is flexible and widely accepted, especially for more detailed source information. Once you select your style, keep it consistent throughout the document. Grammarly's citation tools will follow that choice, helping you structure entries and maintain correct punctuation, capitalization, and italics. As you generate citations, double-check details like author names, publication years, titles, and URLs or DOIs. Small errors often come from source pages, so it's smart to verify against the original publication when possible. That's all you need to get started. Open Grammarly, go to Docs, create or open your document, launch Citation Finder on the right, and select the style that fits your assignment or field: APA, MLA, or Chicago. With the right style locked in, your references will look professional and consistent from start to finish.